How's it going, my hungry bears? Welcome back to another episode of Bubby Eats. Today we're going to my favorite pizza place in all of Northern Virginia, Malek's Pizza. Now this place has been here for years. I'm talking like decades. Every time I come to Malek's, I usually always order the same thing. I might change it up, maybe not. Now this place is located in Springfield, Virginia. It's not very far from Rolling Road, if you know where that is. Anyway, that's enough talking. Why don't we go ahead, go inside, sit down, order some pizza, and be happy. All right, so we're seated inside now. Let me give you a look at the menu. We're at Malek's Pizza Palace. They got a different menu for nighttime and daytime, but I only ever come here at night. Let's see. Here's a look at their specialty pizzas. For me, I usually go for the Amore Alfredo. That one's pretty good. I like to get that with broccoli, sometimes mushrooms. So I think we're gonna go broccoli today. They also got a bunch of different sandwiches that you can get, subs. It's the back of the menu. They've been here for 35 plus years, man. This place has been here for ages. All right, I am pretty ready to eat now. All we gotta do is put our order in and wait for our precious pie. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
All right, the pizza has arrived. Look at this majestic river of delicious cheese, chicken, and broccoli.
And mushroom. How nicely browned that is. Yes.
This looks fantastic. All right, let's get a nice little scoop here. Let's see if that. Can I get some cheese action? Oh, my favorite part about this pizza is the Alfredo white sauce. Actually, ooh, so stringy, guys. This is insane. Take a look at this slice.
Man, they added.
Let's go ahead and get our first bite here.
You can give them to me. I'll leave them anyway. I'm trying to expand my horizons.
Look at this cheese, guys.
Really though, I adore mushrooms, so it's not
It never stops pulling, really. Seriously, this is the best. Gonna take a big bite here. Everything about this pizza, it's like the crust is nice and soft. It's also crunchy at the same time. Everything is cooked perfectly seasoned. And the only way we can make this a little better. Seriously, guys, I'm in love. I've missed this. I've missed this so much. I gotta get another slice in. Some more hot peppers. Check it out. Got the hot peppers on here. Deliciousness. Also, the plate really helps because sometimes it doesn't hold its structure from the weight.
It's cute.
So you can kind of use the plate as a sort of ramp mechanism.
Places that he doesn't necessarily trust. Prep. So he eats a lot of like pasta, French fries.
I mean, what else can I say? The cheese on point, chicken on point, veggies on point, pizza crust on point. Guys, definitely this pizza, Amore Alfredo, the best one they have. If you like white sauce, if you like cheesiness, if you like creaminess, this is the pizza for you. Pizza's not a pizza unless it's a little bit burnt like this. Trust me. Man, I'm sweating. Working hard. Chewing this gooey cheese is, it's like running a marathon for my mouth. Oh God, this is the big one. This is huge. Huge slice. Gotta top it off with all these delicious peppers. It's majestic.
That's something that I didn't notice before. It's like this crab and lobster and a bunch of other stuff. It's just like sesame.
All right, down to the last few bites.
I mean, honestly, I've done really, like, it's actually kind of nice. Like, yeah. You stop eating, you brush your
I'm done.
Good.
There it is. I'm gonna need a few minutes to kind of process all the love that just went into my stomach. Seriously, 10 out of 10, you must get this pizza. All right, I hope you guys all enjoyed that wonderful food outing. It's hard to breathe. I ate too much. It was so delicious, I really couldn't stop. What did you think of the experience?
I was a 10.5 out of 10 pizza. That was so good.
Solid rating.
exactly as I remember it. Perfect.
Yeah. If you ever stop by Springfield, Virginia, make sure you make the time to stop by Malek's Pizza Palace. It is the best pizza. No other pizza can compare. Fight me if I'm wrong. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, stay hungry.